Di, walang gamat yung poste.
Ito po yung bumagsak yung sa aming ramp, sir.
Makating yan.
Oh, yung ceiling lang.
Yeah, ceiling lang yan. Okay yan. Importante yung mga poste. Paayos natin agad to, DE. Ngayong gabi, magpadala na dito. Doc, we will send people here tonight.
Thank you so much.
So we can assess right away. But it looks okay, sorry. Pero hopefully by tonight, na tayo. Kung ma-assess nila kung okay naman, pwede ng dahan-dahan. So lalo na yung mga baby. DE, kailangan. Ngayong gabi, pa-clear mo na yung pinuntahan natin kanina.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Maybe in the next, 2-3 hours? After that, we can clear that area and we can start bringing in especially the NICU.
Because our incubator here.
Yung mga infants. Hopefully, we'll be able to move everyone by tomorrow morning.